Samsung's 2023 flagship series, the Galaxy S23, is outperforming last year's Galaxy S22 line when it comes to ultimate consumer voting platform, the cash register. Sam Mobile cites a report from South Korea's Hana Securities to note that S23 series has amounted to 22.89 million units since the phone were released over 8 months ago. That's a 22% increase over the 22 series on the same period worldwide. The basic S23 model has rung up around 8.09 million times. S23 Plus has been 4.11 million purchases, while the top of the line led the way with 10.11 million units sold. S23 Ultra outsold its two siblings isn't a surprise. The weaker showing of the S23 Plus showed rumors that Samsung will be launching only two S24 models next year, but this rumor has since been debunked. Samsung might be happy with the numbers, but they are not thrilled with the similar comparison with the 2023 foldables to last year's foldables. Sales of the foldables have hit 3.51 million units since their release in August, with the Galaxy Z Flip 5 outselling the Z Fold 5 by the count of 2.26 million to 1.25 million. Overall, the 2022 foldable sold 3.63 million during the comparative time. The Z Flip 4 sold up to 2.28 million times, which is slightly more than this year's foldable. The Z Fold 4 had tallied 1.35 million units compared to this year's 1.25 million. The main reason for this is because foldable this year has not seen a major upgrade. Samsung's mid-range A series has been selling well in India and the Middle Eastern market. The report says that the Galaxy A series phones outsell the Galaxy S series and Z series phones.